What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most aggressive freestyle and racing motors out right now, T-Hobby F60 PRO V 2020 kV. So for 2026, I was looking to kind of step my game up a little bit. I wanted a motor that was a little bit faster, a little more responsiveness, had crazy throttle punch when I needed it, and still had that smooth, locked-in feeling that I was getting from the slap motors, but it was just time to take it up a notch. So let's break down the specs of this motor a little bit. It's 2020 kV, which is a 6S motor, and 2020 kV is a pretty high kV. It's if you're wanting to just cruise and do the smooth flow, this probably isn't the best motor if you're a new pilot. Once you've gotten really good throttle control, maybe look at 2020 kV, but it is a force to be reckoned with. The stator's 2207.5, so you kind of get a little bit more torque than just a regular 2007. Like me, I'm not going to ever notice that. It's just one of those things, like racers might feel that difference in the slightly bit larger stator. Weighs 32 grams. This thing moves. This motor is no joke. So let's talk about performance a little bit. It's a very snappy motor, very smooth and locked in. It has 2020 kV, so you got the higher end speeds and the crazy responsiveness, and it still has that locked in feeling that I'm used to flying with T-motor. So you're still kind of have that precise throttle control. It's just, this is not a forgiving kV at all. If you're looking to stay in the more flow realm but still want a high performance motor, 1950 kV is the next one down. They have other kVs you can choose from, or maybe get this kV and step it down in beta flight and work your way up to it. I've been slowly other kVs working my way up, and finally decided this year's the year I was gonna really step it up. If you have like sloppy throttle control or a really high pitch prop, maybe go with the lower kV or limit your motor output, because I'm telling you, this thing is not forgiving. You'll know every movement you make with your throttle on this motor. I personally like to run a really low pitch prop, do tons of expo in your throttle, kind of like mechanical expo, so that you can really get on the throttle and it not punish you for it. This motor closes that gap a lot more, so I'm still running really low pitch props, but since the kV stepped up now, it closes that expo gap a little bit, and it's what I needed to kind of improve. Maybe somebody else out there is in that same position and you're wanting to improve now that you've gotten your throttle dialed in really well. But keep that in mind, the high pitch prop is not good for this. You want to go low pitch. I'm running the pickle props, and sometimes I run the proxy props, which is getting down in the 2 points area. Low threes, anything over 3.3 I would stay away from with this motor unless you're racing, but it's going to heat your motors up, and it's going to be very unforgiving and make for really jerky movements and stuff, which sometimes I'm sure you guys see that in some of my flows. It gets a little jerky because I'm still trying to learn this motor. Now, some of the cons with this motor, I've been talking about how great it is, but you're going to get a little bit shorter flight time because it's pulling more. They do run a little warm, so you got to kind of check your tune a little bit. I've had to do some adjusting. I run Ultra V3. I'm running the medium tune, and it does warm the motors up a little bit. So if your build's not clean, it's something to keep an eye on. Maybe before you really send it hard, check that. It's not a very beginner-friendly kV. The motor is great. It seems to be very durable. I have done some serious smashing. amount of abuse that frame and these motors have taken already is impressive, to say the least. But the feel of this motor is pretty insane. It really is. It kind of blew my mind. I've always flown T-Hobby motors for years now, usually the slat motor. I've flown some Blackbirds, which were really high kV. I actually turned those down because they were too much for me. But it has that smooth feeling and that just locked in feeling in them. All right, we're gonna close it out. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks to T-Hobby for sending me a set of these motors. Like I said earlier, when they sent me a set of them, I purchased a set of them. I don't want to be like biased, like I'm making this video just because they sent me free motors. I've probably spent hundreds and hundreds. I've spent a lot of money on T-Hobby products. I have their stacks and quads on the wall behind me. My first stack was a T-Hobby stack, and it's actually still in a quad that I still fly today sometimes. It's still hanging in there. My 7-inch quads use T-Hobby motors and stacks. It's a company, when they reached out, I was more than happy to work with them because I already promote them and suggest them to people. I already tell them, hey, use T-Hobby. If you're looking for a good stack, buy once, cry once. And it's the truth. You can abuse their equipment and it holds up. I've never had any experience with their budget stuff, the V-Lock stuff, so I have a flight controller, a V-Lox flight controller on my analog 5-inch. It's held up, but I use the Pro ESCs. I've used the slat motors. I use their 1404 motors. I use their 1804 Pacers on my 3.5s. I've had the Blackbird motors. I have the F7 MPU 6000 flight controllers. I have always used T-Hobby. I've never had a problem with their gear that I haven't caused if I haven't smashed it or burned it up myself. I've used their 1S flight controllers that have been phenomenal. So when they asked me if I would make a video for their motors and try them out, motors that I was actually already looking at purchasing, and I was like, well, this is just perfect because I was about to just buy some of these. So thanks for watching. I have one affiliate link down low, which is with WREKD, where you can pick up all kinds of FPV gear. So I'm not going to say, hey, buy this, click this link. You can use the WREKD link, support the hobby, support the channel, and it can be with whatever it is you like. And it doesn't have to be me saying, hey, purchase this, give me money. Wow. Buy whatever you like. It's a good way to support the channel. If you don't want to support the channel, thanks for watching, I guess. That was more than enough. WREKD's down below. QuadMula's down below. I don't have an affiliate link with QuadMula, but they hook me up. So they keep me framed up 100%. So thanks to QuadMula. Go buy QuadMula frames. They got a new Alpha series out that is blowing my mind. And I use QuadGas batteries is almost exclusively. I'm slowly getting them worked in there. That's through WREKD. I don't have a T-Hobby affiliate link. They just sent me these motors. Said, hey, make a video, we'll send you some motors. And I said, cool. So here we are. If you're looking for a good high performance motor, I'm a big fan of this one. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.